In this video, I'll show you how to create a free ATS-optimized LaTeX resume using Overleaf and ChatGPT. No manual formatting, no design struggle, and no coding required. Let's get started. Before we start the workflow, let's quickly understand the tools we're using. LaTeX is a document system that handles formatting automatically. Then there's Overleaf, which is an online editor for writing and compiling LaTeX documents. And finally, ChatGPT, which helps write your resume content and generates the LaTeX code for you. With this workflow, you get an ATS-friendly, industry-standard resume for free. First, open ChatGPT. Instead of a simple request, use a detailed prompt so ChatGPT doesn't just generate LaTeX code, but also improves your resume content. Provide your core details, your name, role, work experience, and any other sections you want to include. Replace these information with your own. You can also add specific requirements, such as page size like A4 or letter, or any custom formatting preferences. You'll find a complete example prompt in the description. Once submitted, ChatGPT will generate a full LaTeX resume template with clean, structured sections. Now copy the generated code and head over to overleaf.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up for a free Overleaf account. Once logged in, click New Project and select Blank Project. Give your project a name and click Create. The interface may look busy at first, but don't worry, we only need a few basic features for resume building. On the left side, you'll see the Code Editor panel. This is where we paste and edit the LaTeX code. Delete the placeholder text and paste in the code generated by ChatGPT. Now click Recompile. Your resume will instantly appear in the preview pane on the right, with your name, experience, skills, and education properly formatted and ready to review. Now let's customize the resume to match your preferences. You'll mainly work in the code editor. If you prefer a more familiar interface, you can switch to the visual editor, which works like Microsoft Word. Both options are fine, but the code editor gives more consistent results when working with LaTeX. Here, you can see the File Outline panel. It lets you quickly jump between different sections of your resume. To edit text in the code editor, place your cursor where you want to make changes and edit the text directly in the LaTeX code. Then click Recompile to see the updated result in the preview. That's the basic process for making edits. You can do the same thing in the visual editor if you prefer a more visual, Word-like experience. You may notice that when I select some text, an icon appears next to it. This is Overleaf's built-in AI writing assistant, which is also accessible from the toolbar. You can click on it to rewrite, shorten, or improve the selected text. For example, you can change the text style to be more concise. It's useful for small edits, but for larger changes or complete sections, ChatGPT gives you more control and better results. You can also apply bold or italic formatting from the toolbar. Now let's make a larger, global change. Near the top of the code, find the word margin. You'll see a value like 1.2 centimeters. Change it to 1 centimeter or any spacing you prefer, and click Recompile to see the updated layout. To customize the resume color, search for Hex Color Picker on Google. Choose a color you like and copy the hex code. In the LaTeX file, replace the existing color value and make sure to remove the hash symbol. As you can see, the section title colors have changed. These basics cover most resume needs. If you want to adjust font sizes, add hyperlinks, or modify the layout, You can do that using LaTeX, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT again. Copy your entire LaTeX code from Overleaf. Then describe what you want to change in ChatGPT. For example, I want it to increase the font size and add a certifications section. Then paste your LaTeX code. ChatGPT will return an updated version of the LaTeX code with those changes applied. Paste the new code back into Overleaf. Click Recompile, and the improvements appear instantly. This way, you can customize content or fix layout without manual coding. You describe what you want, and ChatGPT handles the LaTeX. Once you're satisfied with your resume, click Download PDF. Overleaf generates a clean, professional document optimized for both human recruiters and ATS systems. And that's the full workflow. The real advantage is long-term. When you apply for a new job, you don't rebuild your resume. You update it with a simple prompt and recompile. If you want more practical resume tutorials, ATS tips, tools, and templates, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.